Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be making Minesweeper using libGDX. Dating back to the 60s, I dare say everyone has at least seen a version of Minesweeper in action, if they haven't played it themselves. For me, the definitive version of Minesweeper is the Windows XP version. I spent countless hours playing this version on school and library computers. In the remarkably off chance that you don't know what Minesweeper is or don't know how to play it, I can recommend this video by...
Hey guys, how's it going? Compared to
I'm going to be using libGDX and VisUI to create this. There will be links to both of them in the description. What's been playing in the background at the moment isn't very interesting, it's just me getting some boilerplate stuff out of the way so I can get something rendering to the screen. This is very easy with libGDX as it handles most of the boiler and stuff for you. Unfortunately, the start was a bit jumpy because past me decided to make Ctrl-S stop recording on my OBS setup, so every time I tried to save a file, it stopped. Okay, let's get started. First on my list is just to get some sort of VisUI button grid to render. This was fairly simple and was done using the code that is on the screen right now, where field is a 2D array of mines and the root table is the VisUI table where I am adding everything to. I went about adding in a fairly robust loading system. A little overkill for this project, but it works nicely and it's relatively simple to set up once you know what you're doing. It makes use of the libGDX annotation and assets manager. Then I add on startup, I load everything into the asset manager, open a loading screen, update it until there's nothing left to load in, and then I change screen to the main game screen. This just gets all the loading done on startup and not when I need the resources, and I just feel the flow is a bit better. In Minesweeper, the number in a block represents the amount of mines that are adjacent to the block, as seen here. Next was to get it to recursively check for 0 blocks that are around the block you've clicked on, just so you don't have to click on the zeros every time, it just gets a bit annoying. My first thought was to do this using a stack, so somehow I would push the mines to the stack and pop them when I needed them, but this turned out to be overly complicated, so I ended up using the recursive method that is on your screen at the moment. And I think this works really nicely. Okay, now just to clean up the code a bit and add some final finishing touches. What is currently playing on your screen is a Gauss rendering of the GitHub project. If you want to see it in glorious 4K at 60 FPS, there will be a link in the description to that enlisted video. Okay, and there we have it, a simple implementation of Minesweeper using libGDX. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you want to check out the source code, it's all available on GitHub and I'll place a link in the description. And until next time, goodbye.